The second category we have, that is the non-Semitic religions. The non-Semitic religions can further be divided into two categories: the Aryan religions and the non-Aryan religions. The Aryan religions are those which are followed by the Aryans, a powerful group of Indo-European speaking people which originated from Iran and northwestern India in the first half of the second millennium, from 2000 to 1500 BC. The Aryan religions can further be divided into two categories: the Vedic religions and the non-Vedic religions. The Vedic religions are those religions in which the followers, they follow the Vedas, or they are associated with the Vedas. So these religions are called as the Vedic religions. And today, it is a misnomer and it is called as Hinduism. But the right terminology that should be used, it is a Vedantist, the one who follows the Vedas. The non-Vedic religions are those religions which are not associated with Hinduism. For example, Jainism. Zoroastrianism also happens to be a religion which is not associated to Hinduism. And from among the non-Vedic religions, Sikhism also happens to be from the non-Vedic religions. The non-Aryan religions are those which are based upon their origin. For example, that which originated from China, for example, Confucianism, and other religions that originated from different lands, certain religions that originated from Japan. But these non-Aryan religions, they are more like ethical systems, and they do not have a concept of God, but they are more like ethical systems. As far as today's talk is concerned, the concept of God in major world religions, I will only be talking about the Semitic religions and about the Aryan religions. And the most famous from among the Aryan religion is the Vedic religion, which is called as Hinduism. First, we'll discuss the concept of God in Hinduism. Before I discuss the concept of God in any religion, I would like to make one point clear, which is very important. In order to understand the concept of God in any religion, we should not observe what the followers of that religion do. In order to understand the concept of God in any religion, we should try and understand what the scriptures have to speak about Almighty God. Therefore, the best and the most authentic way to understand the concept of God in any religion is to try and understand what the scriptures have to speak about Almighty God. So we should look at the sacred scriptures of that particular religion, and we should read the sacred scriptures if we want to understand the concept of God in that particular religion. Now let's discuss the concept of God in Hinduism. If you ask a common Hindu that how many gods does he believe in, some may say 3, some may say 10, some may say 100, some may say 1,000, while others may say 33 crore, 330 million. But if you ask a learned Hindu who's well versed with the scriptures, he will tell you that the Hindus should believe and worship in only one God. But the common Hindu, he believes in a philosophy called as pantheism. The common Hindu says everything is God. The tree is God, the sun is God, the moon is God, the human being is God, the snake is God. What we Muslims say, everything belongs to God. The tree belongs to God, the sun belongs to God, the moon belongs to God, the human being belongs to God, the snake belongs to God. So the major difference between the common Hindu and us Muslims is the common Hindu says everything is God. We Muslims say everything is God's, G-O-D with an apostrophe S. Everything belongs to God. So the major difference between the common Hindu and us Muslims is the apostrophe S. The common Hindu says everything is God. We Muslims say everything is God's, G-O-D with an apostrophe S. So the major difference is the apostrophe S. If we can solve this difference of apostrophe S, the Hindus and the Muslims will be united.